Jimmy Porter. In their characteristic tight diamond formation, they'll set up for the diamond formation move. All team members are looking at a target spot on the leader's fuselage, making constant adjustments on the elevator. You can't see them. They that is the discipline of a wingman or somebody in the slot position. Now, the job of leader is no piece of cake. He's got to think in a pace that allows his teammates to keep that very tight formation. They have picked out a letter, a color, a ribbon, or a panel on the airplane, and that is the way they make their constant adjustments. Now, from the beautiful formation loop, in get ready for dog fighting. This is the barrel roll, where every control to change the altitude, change the speed, and change the direction of the airplane, and to end up at the values that you started with. Now our theme here at Dayton, this great air show, is like the theme of many shows. It is a salute to our men and women in the military, wherever they may be around the globe, working in some hellhole on the other side of the earth while we enjoy the freedoms of Dayton, America. This is also dedicated to all of the veterans, those who are with us and those who have gone before us. We'd also like to thank the sponsors of the team, Strong Parachutes, Aspen Avionics, Hooker Custom Harness, Presty Company, Aviation Colors, Covers that is, Whalen Strobes, and LP Plastics. Get your eyes and your cameras ready as Jimmy Porter leads the team down to a target speed of about 180 miles per hour. And across the top, team leader Porter calls smoke on. Now, ready, break. Now, 4 members of the team pick a different spot on the How about that? From the Aeroshell Aerobatic team, winners of the Bill Barber Award for Showmanship and the Art Show Memorial Showmanship Award. All right, unfortunately, that's Steve Gustafson, high to your left. That's Mark Henley, high to your right. They're going to get ready to meet head on. Out of the area. Now direct your attention high and to your right. Jimmy Porter. In the lead position is bringing in the slot or diamond position Brian Reagan. As they make their way down, they call for the smoke out. They'll sit up a big Ohio, birthplace of aviation. It is how you start the word Ohio and how you So watch the team. Everybody goes to a specific altitude, heading direction, and they make their way back in formation for the series. As ladies and gentlemen, in the lead, Jimmy Porter Thank you, Steve. I wrote and I make the equation, I try to get people to understand how much work this is. None of these guys is less than 6 foot tall. Most of them are big and bulky guys. They can move these airplanes around, but sometimes it takes all the strength they have. How would you like to try to compete in a NASCAR race with a Peterbilt truck? This is what they have for them with this airplane. The technology is old, and believe me, I am not bad-mouthing the airplane. It is a great airplane, but it is a handful. This team, some of the most airshow performers in the business today, they're busy about 22 to 27 weekends a year. Thank you to their sponsors, Concord Batteries, Bose Headsets, American Propeller Service, WSI Weather, Canon Cameras, Shaden Avionics, Aerox, Pico Foods of Portal, Alabama, Andy Web Tools, Kratom Lane, Sky T, and PS Engineering. All right, now it's time to have a little fun. I think I know what's going to happen here as they come back in. Look at your right hand. It's called the figure four. Look at the airplane to your right. That's Brian Reagan at the most difficult time when he is upside down, turning into that angle. And making his way down into the diamond, and he's got it nailed. Give them a big round of applause for the figure four, the diamond transition. Oh, that's good flying. Try that upside down. Now, get your Canon cameras ready. The signature, very tight maneuvering of the team in a big 5,500-pound airplane. This is the Canon camera. Thank you to Xeon Flight Systems, to Reverse Survival Products. Thank you to Plane Power, ACM50 Mulatto Sunglasses. Thank you to Aces, to ICOM, and to Precision Flight. But thanks most of all to Steve R. Roush Incorporated, a very successful businessman, giving back to the community. And I appreciate his success as an excavating contractor, but he is a cattle farmer back to the earth. And I got to tell you, you can get a lot of relaxation from that. All right, coming back in now, time for a little action. This will be the diamond formation move with a little bit of variation and a little bit of fun. So again, very gently, Jimmy Ford, the team leader, brings in Mark Henley, Steve Gustafson, and Brian Reagan in the diamond formation on the descending line. We'll wait for Jimmy Ford to call for the smoke out. Smoke out! Very gently, Jimmy Ford eases back on the stick so they all have time to react in accordance to the leader. And again, they're not looking at the ground, they're not looking at the as they come around along the side, let's see him. Jimmy Ford. Let's see how alert these guys are. Jimmy says, let's see, I'm out of here, you guys. And then Mark Henley says, hey, Jimmy, what are you doing waiting for me? And Steve Gustafson never wants to be left out. He says, I'm right behind you, and here comes Brian Reagan. Speedo, they call him. He's in trail. He said, wherever you guys go is where I'm going to go. Now they'll set up for the end of the as they get ready to salute summertime fun. It's time for the state fair, the county fair, a carnival comes to your town, big and small. And none of those events are complete without a Ferris wheel where